AllCastingcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a performer or model looking to find work, you've probably come across entity brand AllCasting Zero. It may seem like a great value, but most people get this wrong by assuming access equals results. Let's dig into what you really pay for. AllCasting describes itself as a marketplace connecting talent actors, models, dancers with casting directors and projects. They claim over 2 million talents have used the site. Site user reviews on Trustpilot are predominantly positive. Several say they landed jobs and found the interface helpful. Site what you get: access to casting calls you might not find independently, a centralized dashboard of opportunities, and mentoring articles. What you give up or need to be aware of: there is no guarantee of paid roles. Some roles are unpaid, or high competition means low success rates. Also, subscription fees may apply for premium features. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Define your goal. Is it paid work, exposure, building portfolio? Step 2. Check what plan you're paying for. Is there a free tier? What does the paid tier add? Step 3. Estimate value. If you pay say per month and land one job worth this, that's worthwhile. If you get 0 jobs, cost per success is infinite. Step 4. Always read the role details. Is it paid? What are usage rights? Is the credit assured? You won't believe what happens next if you just sign up and wait. Months go by, you pay your subscription, you attend calls with no pay, you start questioning value. The surprising truth: the platform may be good, but your performance, follow-up, and competitiveness matter even more. In conclusion, AllCastingcom can offer good value if you actively apply, prepare, follow up, and treat it as one tool among many. If you expect guaranteed income just from sign-up, you may be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more career platform pricing explained and what you're really paying for.